So you've made it to Vegas and you're all gambled out, so you're looking for something else to do? Well, today I've got some things that you can do that are not gambling and in some cases are actually free. Do you like koi? That's a fish, by the way, if you didn't know. Do you like birds, flamingos, turtles, some fresh air? Well, then the Flamingo Wildlife Habitat is for you, and as stated, it is currently free. Full disclosure, the visit to the wildlife habitat will only take you probably a half hour, but it is free, and it gets you out of the smoky casino for a little while. There's always a few people here. I've visited multiple times, and it's never that crowded. I guess you call that a turtle pile. Behind me is the high roller at the link. The high roller is a great double. You can do the Flamingo and then go visit the high roller. Get your picture taken in front of the green screen. Before getting on your pod and circling. According to the propaganda, this is the highest observation wheel in the world. I did not verify that fact. That's why I'm calling it propaganda. It's probably true. My recommendation to you, if you're going to go do the high roller, do it in the evening or right around sunset. All the casinos will be lit up and beautiful. Of course, there's always a couple turds in the punch bowl. And remember, take turns at the windows so everybody gets a chance to look. If you don't like heights, don't do the high roller. And remember, exit through the gift shop. This is a new one for me. This is the first visit I've had to the Lion Habitat Ranch. Once upon a time, the MGM housed a lion habitat just off of the casino. For a reason that I don't know, those lions were moved out to the Lion Habitat Ranch. So these are the former MGM lions for the most part. I was told multiple times by the staff that lions are lazy. They like to sleep something like 18 hours a day. In addition to the lions, there are emu, ostriches, and a giraffe. Ozzy the giraffe will take your food, he'll do paintings for you, all of which, of course, you can buy at the gift shop. Don't forget to exit through the gift shop. And if you're in Vegas, you're probably staying at a hotel. Your hotel, of course, should have some sort of pool complex. This is the MGM Lazy River, which I highly recommend. It's also got regular pools and a hot tub and stuff like that. So if you're not gambling, you can be in the pool.
What's a visit to Vegas without basking in the hot, blazing sunshine next to the pool? Every mega resort on a Las Vegas trip has some sort of pool complex. The MGM and Mandalay Bay are my two favorites. Each of those has a lazy river. Mandalay Bay has a beach. It will burn your feet. I would recommend getting a day bed with a shade. The waitstaff is very attentive when you have a day bed. Next up is the Shark Reef Aquarium at the Mandalay Bay. My son always loves this, and every time he's in Vegas, he takes me to the Shark Reef. Starts with a somewhat of a jungle excursion before getting into the underwater areas with the sharks. Blacktip reef shark, I believe. If you like, you can even pet yourself a ray. One finger and one finger only, please. Can't pet the lionfish or the jellyfish. You'll get stung by those guys. And like the Lion Habitat Ranch, don't forget to exit through the gift shop. Vegas has a ton of excellent restaurants. One of my favorites is at the Paris, Mon Ami Gabi. Every time I'm in Vegas, I eat here. Filet with frites is excellent. Here's some pizza that my son loves, New York style. Gluten-free protein burger from Johnny Rockets. Did I mention I like steak? Went to Outback Steakhouse. That's pretty good. Across the street, there's an Italy area at the Park MGM. Noodle Shop. Tom Colicchio's Craft Steak. Did I mention I like steak? Iron Chef Morimoto has a restaurant as well. Many celebrity chefs have restaurants in Vegas. So those were 6 of the things that we did on our last spring break trip, but there's so much more. Every casino has a specialty store of some sort, like the Reese's store at the New York. There are specialty exhibits like the Hunger Games at the MGM. Tons and tons of shows to go visit and see. Tournament of Kings and Ka are 2 of my favorites. David Copperfield remains a tool, and I will not be seeing him anytime soon. Comedy clubs abound, like Brad Garrett's, also at the MGM. Another free item, see the Bellagio fountains. The Flylink zip line. I don't think I'd want to do that. Or just visit a casino and take in the awe of the mega resorts. And of course, you can always gamble. There's plenty to gamble there in Vegas. Not shown are the Blue Man Group, another one of my favorites. As I mentioned, these were just some of the things I did on our spring break trip. Well, what are some of your favorite things to do in Vegas? Please post those below. There's so much to do that any of these comments will probably help a future visitor to Vegas find something that they really would like to do. Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time from Canada. See ya.